What if Samsung's next foldables weren't just the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7, but something entirely unexpected? Buckle up, because we're diving into a world of leaked codenames, potential tri-fold designs, and maybe even an ultra-premium Galaxy model. Codenames have dropped, folks. B7 for the Galaxy Z Flip 7, Q7 for the Fold 7, and Q7M. What on earth is that? Could it be Samsung's groundbreaking tri-fold design or a luxurious Galaxy Ultra? Galaxy Club, a trusted source for Samsung Intel, leaked these juicy details. With Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7 expected for 2025, these new codenames suggest there might be more on Samsung's drawing board. But here's the twist. Q7M could represent something entirely different. Could Samsung be stepping up to the ultra-premium market or introducing an affordable fold option? All right, Samsung fans, tell us in the comments. Would you rather see a revolutionary tri-fold device or a Galaxy Z Fold Ultra packed with top-tier specs? Drop your thoughts below, and hey, while you're there, hit that like button if you're as excited as we are about Samsung's bold moves. So, let's talk tri-fold. Rumors have circulated that Samsung's been working on a tri-fold model for years, but if Q7M is truly a tri-fold, it seems unlikely it to debut under the Fold name. Imagine that foldable transforming into a tablet-like experience, all packed into one device. Sound too good to be true? Maybe, but Samsung's innovation track says it might just happen. Or could Q7M mean a special edition or even an Ultra? The exclusive Z Fold Special Edition has already launched in South Korea, so Samsung could be thinking big, like an ultra-tier foldable with jaw-dropping features, high-resolution display, top-of-the-line camera, insane battery life. That'd be Samsung truly flexing. Then again, what if Q7M were a more budget-friendly fold? Samsung recently stated it has no immediate plans for cheaper foldables, but surprises happen, and hey, who wouldn't want an entry-level fold for a change? With a potential launch window in July or August, we may just get our answers sooner than we think. Imagine Samsung surprising us with not 2 but 3 foldable models, one of which could change everything we know about foldable tech. What do you think, tech enthusiasts? Are we looking at a tri-fold, an Ultra, or just another special edition? Hit the subscribe button to join us for every leak, every reveal, and all things Samsung as we count down to the next Galaxy Unpacked. Like this video if you're hyped, and let's see those guesses in the comments. Peace.